I know today's video is gonna make some of y'all mad. But it's fun mad. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl. Hey, it's a girl. Ginger, of course. Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about all the things we're going to leave behind when it comes to natural hair. It is about time that someone talks about it, and I know how you like to tussle. It's okay if your favorite thing gets dragged a little bit. Don't take it personal, girl. It's business. We can laugh about it, okay? I've done all of the things that I'm going to mention. All of them. I've done worse, which is why I can talk about it. So don't take it personally. Anyways, let's get this video started because it's juicy and we need to get right into it. Alright, so the first one, which I made a whole video about it. If you want to get more detail, you can go ahead and click this video and it's going to be linked down below. We are leaving protective styles in the past. Ooh, we are starting things hot. I know someone's ready to just in the comment below. Hear me out though. We're not talking about protective styles like this where your hair is nicely tucked away and you're looking cute. No, we're talking about leaving protective styles in your hair for months at a time in the name that it's making your hair grow faster. It's not. Protective styles don't make your hair grow, period. Hair growth happens from inside. Your protective style is on the outside. So we're going to leave protective styles right in the past and we're not going to do them anymore, especially the ones that are detrimental, especially the ones that are ripping out your edges. And listen, I know a lot of people do protective styles and they get great results with them. I've done protective styles and retained a ton of length. However, let's not ignore the fact that protective styles don't work for a lot of natural and are ripping our hair out. Let's not be blind to the fact that a lot of us have issues with edges. Your hair is extremely dry because you leave it in a protective style forever. You don't actually take care of your hair in the protective style. And your hair is just in really bad shape because you're doing these protective styles back to back to back to back. There's a lot. There's a lot when it comes to protective styles. So just because it works for you does not mean that there aren't any dangers associated with it. Okay? So we're going to leave that in the past. Number 2, and we're gonna come extremely strong once again. We are going to leave the hair growth oils where they belong in 2021. We're leaving them behind. Leave the hair growth oils alone. And I've said this before and I have a video on it as well. So if you want to get more juicy details, click the link in the description box. But every time I say it, someone's like, actually, that's not true. I have a special concoction that my great-grandmother passed down to us. It's been from generation to generation, and it's made my hair grow down my butt. Your hair would have grown down your butt regardless of using the hair growth oils or not. I said it. Okay now. Okay. I know everyone has a special sauce and a special recipe, but one thing that is very common with all of the special sauce and the special recipes is that you are taking care of your hair and you are massaging your scalp and you're consistent with your routine. Seems like that is the consensus with all of the little hair growth. You did not just slap some oil on your hair and never washed it, never conditioned it, never took care of it, and your hair grew down your butt crack. I don't know. I haven't heard that story yet. I'm not going to say it's not true. So if that's your case, leave a comment down below and let me know. But for me, I'm going to leave hair growth oils in the back of the bus. So the third one, you know how people say dirty hair grows faster? In the back of the bus. Actually, you know what? This one can get off the bus. Off the bus. Dirty hair does not grow any faster, okay? Like that. Again, hair growth happens on the inside. Dirty hair is on your scalp. It's not making your hair grow any faster. Let's stop saying that so that the next generation can stop doing that, okay? Let's just all agree to disagree, ladies. We're no longer going to say that dirty hair grows faster. Wash your hair. Wash your hair weekly. When you think about it, when you think about your skin, would you not ever wash your skin? Because your scalp is just more skin and you spend a couple of months back of the bus, okay? Thank you. Number 4, and I hate to say this because I've done it and I have so many videos on this on YouTube, I'm pretty sure. If you go back, that's all I did. we are no longer sleeping with our deep conditioners in, okay? Matter of fact, you don't even need to use your deep conditioner for more than half an hour. I know. And you know what? That one, I'm a little lenient with it, you know? I feel like she can stay with us because I still remember the joy that a good deep conditioning session would bring me, like an hour or two. Hour or two is like the sweet spot for me. And it used to be. But we're no longer sleeping in our deep conditioners, ladies. You don't need to sleep in them. It does not work better because it's been on your hair for 2 hours or more. Your deep conditioner does its job in 30 minutes. Some of them says 5 to 10 minutes on the back of the label. Why do we feel the need to leave it for 50 to 75 minutes? Why? I don't know, but we're leaving that behind. We no longer need to do this. Girl, it's okay, let it go. It's not that hard. If you're using a quality product that is actually doing what it's supposed to do, then you don't need to sleep in it to get the benefits, okay? So the next one, don't come for me, okay? Remember, I'm just a messenger girl. The do-it-yourself recipes, you know, with the bananas and the avocados, we blend those up and then put it on our hair. We're no longer doing that. We are done with that. We know better now. And if we can buy a good banana and avocado, eat it. Girl, please invest in your nutrition instead. Stop slapping avocados on your head and saying that it's working. And on top of that, I remember the very first time I did an avocado mask way back in the day, because like I said, I've done all of these things that I'm talking about, okay? The first time I did an avocado mask, girl, I had avocado chunks in my hair for up to a week. It was a mess. It was a nightmare. And I guess my blender did not work. Everybody's doing avocado mask and like bananas and yogurt and mayo. Girl, you don't need to do all that. Eat it. Eat it instead, okay? Girl, please. You will actually reap the benefit of your avocado if you eat it versus just put it on your hair. In 2022, we're eating our food, okay? We're not blending them up and rinsing it down the drain. You know what else we're leaving in 2021? And this one's very important. How do I even say this? So this one, I felt like I needed to put it in a category of its own because it's a big one. We're no longer oiling our scalp. Stop throwing tomatoes at me. So you know what my problem is when it comes to oiling your scalp? It's not the act of oiling your scalp because, girl, Lord knows I used to love me an oiled scalp. It's the fact that we do a little too much. Just a little too much. Do we need to put so much oils on our scalp that it is dripping down the side of our necks, on our pillows, it's everywhere? Do we need to do all that? Personally, I think using all the oils on our scalp is what's giving us what we think is dandruff. And dandruff is separate than dry scalp. I mean, it's hard to tell which one is which just by looking at your scalp, because it could be dandruff, which is a fungus. It's a whole different ball game. There is a way to deal with dandruff, but it does not include oils. If you're putting oils on it, you're actually feeding the fungus, fueling the problem. In any case, if you have dry scalp now, it could be a result of you putting too much oils on your scalp and you're not washing your scalp consistently. So now you have a ton of product buildup on your scalp and you're like, oh my God, it's dry, so I'm gonna put more oil. So now you're stuck in this vicious cycle of dry scalp. So give your scalp a break. Stop oiling your scalp and see what happens. Just do it for 6 months. Give yourself a goal. Let me stop doing it for 6 months and see what happens. And if I want to go back to my oils, I'm going to go back to my oils. Nothing's going to happen to your actual hair because remember, hair growth happens from inside and then your scalp is out here on the outside. Okay? And if you are going to do it, why not just once a week? Or maybe twice? How about we just kind of like take it back a little bit and see what happens? Because we use so much oils in our routine from start to finish without realizing it. We're pre-pouring with oil, your shampoo has oils in it, your conditioner has oils in it, and you're putting oil on your scalp, and then you're continuously oiling your scalp up until you wash it again. That's a lot of oils. And just like you, I was caught in that same cycle doing it over and over. So anyway, all right, y'all. Well, you know what? That's enough. That's enough roasting on your favorite things, which I'm sure you probably feel some sort of way about me now. If you do feel some sort of way, leave a comment down below. But just know that I may respond or I may use your comment as inspiration to my next video. So don't take it personal. It'll be fun to talk about it. In any case, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, if those are things that you do in your hair routine, by all means, girl, do what makes you happy. It's your hair, not mine. But I'm just saying, you don't have to do certain things that you're doing. But if you want to, by all means. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any video requests, leave them down below. Otherwise, be sure to subscribe on your way out. If you made it all the way to the end, girl, you might as well subscribe. Wow, like, you mean you're out here just creeping? You might as well subscribe and join the family. Anyways, thank you for watching, girl, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.